Snapchat introduces watermark for AI-generated images. With Snapchat's latest initiative, users can now explore the platform with AI-driven experiences, as the platform takes a big step towards transparency in its AI-generated content. Snapchat introduced watermarks on Tuesday, April 16, which allows its premium users to generate AI images through the native conversational chatbot My AI in its Streams features. The watermark, which will be displayed for photos shared within the app when they're exported to the user's camera roll, will serve as an additional visual cue that the image was produced artificially. Snapchat claimed that it would start watermarking every image that's created using AI. The watermark is an image of Snapchat's ghost logo and sparkle emblem, which is now used to symbolize artificial intelligence. Not only will the watermark be visible within the Snapchat app, but it will also be retained when images are exported to users' camera rolls. Users are against the company's Ghost and Sparkles watermark from AI-generated images since it's against the terms and conditions of the platform. The parent company of Snapchat shared a post on its website that highlighted the AI-powered features added in 2015, like AR lenses, generative AI chat wallpapers, My AI, and more. Also mentioned in the post are the company's initiatives to increase transparency when users interact with AI-powered content on its platform. Snapchat isn't the only platform that enhances transparency in AI-generated content. Other tech giants, including Google, also have their own watermarking technology called SynthID, and OpenAI DALL-E 3 images follow the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity, known as C2PA, which is shaping industry standards for AI-related metadata. Snapchat undergoes rigorous internal reviews and employs AI red teaming to identify and address potential flaws in the AI models. This proactive approach underscores Snapchat's dedication to providing users with reliable and trustworthy experiences. Only Snapchat Plus users have access to My AI to create images, with a subscription of 49 Indian rupees a month or 499 Indian rupees for a year.